Yo, what's up guys? May buntag ninyo na alimi karon sa El Nido. First day namo sa among island hopping. Ug naglakaw kami pa dong sa ilang dagat kay naa dito among bangka ga parking.
Day 1. Let's go.
Naglakaw mi sa ilang town guys. Grabe kanindot kayo ilang town. Ug walking distance rin ni sa among iyan nga gistihan. Daga na pa daw kay mga tao din na nagpaabot for schedule sa ilang island hopping guys. Naara po de baligya waterproof bag o waterproof cellphone case. So before patamsak kay sa bangka, magbayad sa tao og entrance fee o environmental fee.
Environmental.
So manamig bayad paduong namin sa among bangka.
29. Puno na sa.
Puno na kuya?
Gusto ko eh. Ano sa mo? Tayo na lang eh. Dool na lang noon.
With December comes the glimmer on her face, and I get a bit nervous. I get a bit nervous now. In the 12 months on, I won't make friends with change. When everyone's perfect, can we start over again? The playgrounds, they get rusty, and your heart beats another 10,000 times before I got the chance to say I miss you. When it gets hard, I get a little stronger now. I get a little braver now. And when it gets dark, I get a little brighter now. I get a little wiser now. Before I give my heart away.
So, mauday niya atong first destination guys, ang Seven Commando Beach. Puti kayog pas ug tinaw kayo ilang dagat.
Sul bulsa.
Alam niyo bang pangarap lang namin noon na makarating sa lugar na to? Pangarap na unti-unting natutupad na kasama ang mga taong to. Mananatili ako mangarap kahit saan man dalhin sa mundong ito. Pangako, ito mga taong to ang kasama ko kahit saan man ako patungo. Patungo sa kung saan man kami dalhin ng alon. Patuloy sa paglalayag kahit anuman ang kinakaharap na hamon. Sila pa rin ang kasama hanggang sa makaahon, na kahit anumang lugmok ay sabay kaming babangon. Babangon sa aming pagkadapa, kahit anumang galos ng katawan ay baliwala. Dahil maghihilom ang mga sugat pero ang karanasan ay hindi mawawala. Nakaukit sa puso't isipan na saya ang dala. Dala hanggang sa aming pagtanda. Diyos ang gabay at siya ang may akda. Panalangin ng sandata at manalig sa may likha. Saan man kami patungo, Ama, ikaw na ang bahala.
Ayan ang mga ikaw na tayo. Nay!
So karon guys, naanata sa atong second destination, ang Big Lagoon.
Kita na ka lang.
Among na rin guys ay ang Claire Kayak kay Mauray available.
Tapos layo.
I-grab na lang mi ani kay gihatagan na mi og limited time nga 40 minutes to 1 hour para magtuyok-tuyok sa Big Lagoon.
Ikaw eh! Bound! Kaya mo yan. Lagan na. Hold lang ya. Masa ka oy?
Hangin.
Nani ito ba? Kita. Kita. Lang. Clear lang.
Welcome to my guys.
On the other side of this closet door, you and I are packed in boxes, pictures taken from before. On the other side of this bedroom door, there are phantom shadows dancing on the sunlit floor. I was dumb to think I'd keep you under lock and key. It's like you're dripping from the ceilings, wall to wall, you're all I see. Although everything around me is screaming otherwise, you're the last thing on my mind. You're the last thing on my mind.
Last destination. Secret Lagoon.
Secret. Oh, chill kida.
Unsa ka ate? Unsa ka? Nagunsa ka?
Ano siya ihang kuan sa day? Kaya ang puro na amo siya ilang tanawa ang taong pagsulong nila.
Hi video. I miss you video. Lalabas ng bata. Nakita ko naman ng bata. Smile. Yes, ma'am. Okay, success. Filipina girl.
Yun na yung ulo.
Ulo na ka, mapakong ka na.
Sit down.
Grabe kita mga bata nabigay na passenger, matatapang. Wala palang umiyak na bata. Hanapin ko ba kayo sa tao?
Hindi.
Buti yan sa TV.
Ano, parati kami ng ano,
Laban.
malaagan.
Buti yung isang kapag. Pagkaras kung may mga ganyan kami, yakan na eh. Okay, mga sir, so I just want to show you one of the rock formation here. Did you see that rock, the hanging one? will see a rock formation that look like a bird or an eagle with a beak. Okay? And over there, that one look like a rock. Wow. But before that, Mr. Rocky, before we start taking photos, I want everybody closer to me. Since now, so this thing I always do this very rare, okay? Because normally we always go here with the other groups, so I cannot do that, okay? So I will tell you the signature of El Nido, especially of this place. Okay, come on everybody, go around. So the signature of this place is to live your memories. Yeah. Okay, before you go out of the El Nido, so you should live your memories. So, ma'am, sir, in this time, we need to be quiet at least 10 seconds. Okay, with some concentration, so that we can see or we can hear the sound of nature. Okay, that is very important for you also. Okay, so everybody, put your hand like this. Come on, everybody. This is for concentration. Come on, okay? And everybody, close your eyes, okay? Concentrate. Okay, serious, okay? Yeah, so it's like living your memories, okay? Alright, everybody put your hands like this. That, okay? And close your eyes for 10 seconds. So this is how you will live your memories, right? I will count 10, so you need to be quiet, right? 1, 2, 3, go. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now open your eyes and everybody pee. Come on, pee. Live your memories. Success! I can share your memories! Success? Okay! Oh my god, it's warm! Concentration! I like the smell of water, huh?
Ano lang ganito? Ano dali?
Barog na. Cocktail ng kuha ni mama. Salamat. Thank you very many.
Salamat po ah. Oh, laki ko ba? Sir, thank
Wah,
you.
salamat.
God bless.
Bless.
Buko ka na.
Welcome to Dubai.
Na.
Ha?